In this video, we're going to connect N8N to Google Drive. We'll start by going over to console.cloud.google.com. Then on the left side, we're going to click on that button. Then we'll go over to the right side and click on New Project. Now go over to the left side and enter a project name. Then go down and click on Create. Wait for the project to be created. Then after the project finishes creating, go over to the right side and click on Select Project. Now that the project is selected, go to the top and search for Drive. Select Google Drive API and click on that. Go to the left side, click on Enable. In the left menu, go and click on Credentials. Then move over to the right side and click on Configure Consent Screen. Go down and click on Get Started. Enter a name for your app. I'm going to call mine N8N Connection. Then enter a support email for Google to be able to contact you on. And here we want to select External. This will allow us to use the app without verification. Then we will add contact information. Add the same email address or another email address of your choice. Click on Next. Check the box to agree to the user data policy. Then click on Create. Now go over to the right side and click on Create OAuth Client. Select an application type. Select Web Application. Give your web application a name. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then go down to Authorized Redirect URIs. Now let's go back over to N8N. Click on your Google Drive node. Then go over to the top and down here, select Create New Credential. Copy the OAuth redirect URL. Go back to Cloud Console and paste it in there. Then go down and click on Create. Here we're going to copy our client secret. Go back to N8N and paste it in here under client secret. Then we are going to copy the client ID. Go back and paste it in here under client ID. Then go up and click on Save. Click on OK. Now go over to the left menu and click on Data Access. Here we are going to add some scopes. What scopes are basically permissions for the actions we are allowed to take on our Google Drive account with these credentials. Now we're going to go over to the right side here and expand the page with more results. And then we are going to select the scopes or permissions that we need. For security reasons, you should only select those scopes that are absolutely necessary and limit the amount of scopes. Now in my case, these scopes should be enough. So I will scroll down and click on Update. Now scroll down again and click on Save. Now go to the top left menu and click on Audience. And here we're going to add a test user. So go down and click on Add Users under Test Users. And here you will add the email address of the user account that you will be logging in with. Click on Save. Now let's go back to N8N and click on Sign in with Google. Click on your Google account. Then click on Continue. Here you're going to check the Select All checkbox to allow all of those scopes we selected before, those permissions we selected in the Cloud Console. And that's it. We are now connected. So if you click on this list, you should see what's inside of your Google Drive account. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Take care.